Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to split a Google Doc into 4 sections. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Docs, just click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, splitting a Google Doc into 4 sections can be beneficial for a lot of reasons because number one, dividing the document into 4 sections can enhance organization, particularly for longer documents or those covering multiple topics, because each section can focus on a specific aspect of the content, making it easier for readers to navigate and find relevant information. And when collaborating on a document with multiple contributors, splitting it into 4 sections allows different individuals to work on separate parts simultaneously. Now, this division of labor can streamline the editing process and prevent conflicts over simultaneous edits. Now, once you are here on your Google Docs account, all you have to do is let's create a new blank document for now, and we're gonna see that we can rename this one Now, once you are here, all you have to do is hover your mouse into the left side panel of your dashboard, click on File, and go to Page Setup. Now, make sure, to use the landscape if the image that would fit in this orientation. And when you do that, make sure that the size is going to be 0.25, right? So let's start from these numbers or values and press Enter. Now, let's delete this image for now. And let's try that again. Page Setup and click on Landscape. And these are the orientation. Now, the next step is, after that, go to Insert and choose Table and select 2 by 2. Right? There you go. Now, you can insert the images right here, all right, to kind of create a 4-section effect. And we'll do that now. As you can see, this is going to be the image. Now, you can resize it, obviously. Or if you want, you can try to fit it in. But if not, all you want to do is you can again insert the images manually, or just Control+C to copy and Control+V to paste. All right, and let's do that for the rest of the sections here. Now, if you want to change the border, now once you are happy with that, right click on the table and go to table properties. And if you wanted to have a different color for the border, right? Maybe let's put something like a blue one right now. Okay, as you can see, that's the effect. Let's try another color. Maybe I'm gonna use this one instead. And of course, you can put the value for a difference to make it a little bit thicker. All right. You can also change the cell background. Now, if maybe I hit this yellow button here, you see that the cells can be have a different colors for each. All right, so all of these are highly customizable. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.